So, Shubhodaya to all, and of course, Sunday. Sun is also very nice, and we are standing right in front of Ganesha. There are two monolithic Ganesha in Hampi. This is Sasive Kalu Ganesha. Another is Kadale Kalu Ganesha. They are being named after mustard seeds as well as the chana seeds. Okay, see, mustard seed, this Ganesha was carved or sponsored by the merchants from Tamil Nadu. This Ganesha, see, in those days, it's not all king's project. I keep mentioning many a times. King used to be always the crest personality. Under his supervision, ministers, his wife, his queens, or even children were also able to donate money for the carving, excavation, construction of the temple. This particular Ganesha, if you carefully observe, he has all the iconographical details. The front hand, front right, he holds the broken dentil. Okay. And the left hand, he has the modaka, the sweet meat, the modaka. On the upper right, he has ankusha, that is the ankh. In left upper hand, it is a pasha. It is a noose. It is a noose. Pashankushadara modaka hasta. Pashankushadara modaka hasta ekadanta vigna nivaraka. That is the concept of the ashaya, nudi ashaya of the Ganesha image. And Ganesha has a serpent on his belly. It is Naga Udarabandha. Naga Udarabandha. See, the story, the popular story is when he was overeaten. When he was overeaten with modaka, he was fond of eating the modakas and sweet meat. So at one point he was unable to maintain his belly. It was so filled, so he had no belt. So he took a serpent which is running there and he tied it.